Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into another relaxing and satisfying cleaning session. Cleaning isn't just about making your home look pretty, it's actually one of the best ways to refresh your mind and reset your mood. When your surroundings are clean and organized, you naturally feel calmer, lighter, and more focused. A clean space brings positive energy, helps you think clearly, and keeps you motivated throughout the day. Cleaning also has so many health benefits. It reduces dust and germs that cause allergies, improves air quality, and makes your home feel more peaceful. Even simple tasks like wiping surfaces, folding clothes, or organizing drawers can completely change the atmosphere of a room. Personally, I love that moment when everything starts to shine and the room feels brand new again. It's honestly so satisfying. This video is all about that fresh start feeling, relaxing music, aesthetic cleaning shots, and real motivation to help you get up and clean your own space too. Whether you're doing a deep cleaning or just tidying up, remember that every little effort counts. So grab your cleaning tools, light a candle, and join me in this peaceful 4K cleaning journey. Let's make our home glow together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more 4K ASMR cleaning and home transformation videos.